Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a poll in Slack. So first of all, open up the app. Now the first thing that you have to do is to add an app called Polly to your Slack account, which can only be added through a laptop or a PC. Now if you want to know how to add Polly to your Slack in your laptop or PC, we have already got a video on that. You can check out that as well. And after you added it through the computer or the PC, you would have it here in recent apps. Now just click on this Polly icon and in here click on create a poly. Now in here click on create new. Now in here write a question. I will go for do you like cheese? Now in here you can select the question type. It can either be a multiple choice question, an agree disagree question, or an open-ended question. I will go for, let's say, agree disagree. Now in here you can allow comments if you want to by just selecting this option right here. I'm just going to untick it. You can add another question if you want to. Now in the choose audience window, click on it and in here select the channel in which you want to create a poll. I will go for this general poll, select it and click on done. And after you've done all that, click on send. And after that, the poll has been created. Now after you're done with that, just simply go back, go to the channel in which you created the poll. And in here, you would have the poll created. So that is how you can create a poll in Slack. Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a poll in Slack. So the first thing that you have to do is to open a new tab and type in that new tab Polly AI. Now after you're at the website, scroll down and click on try it free. After that, it will give you this option right here. Add Polly to, click on Slack right here. Now after that, you will be at this window right here. Now in here, you can read all of this if you want to, and after that, click on allow. Now after that, Polly would be added to Slack. So just go back to Slack. Now as you guys can see, Polly has been added to our apps window. Now click on the Polly app. Now in here click on create a Polly. Now in here click on create new. Now in here type in a question. I will go for, let's say, how many cars do you have? And after that you can select the question type. It can either be a multiple choice question, agree, disagree, or anyone you want. I will keep it at multiple choice. Now in here you can enter in the choices. I'll go for, let's say, 2, 3, 4, and leave it at 3. And after that you can either allow comments, allow multiple votes, audience can add choices as well. And after that you can add another question if you want to. And in here select the audience. I will go for, let's say, my general channel. And after it has been selected, you can also send it as a DM by just clicking on this button right here. And after that click on send. And after that click on done. Now if you go to the general channel right here, you would see a poll has been created. So that is how you can create a poll on Slack.